Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about different types of life cycles found in algae, different groups of algae. So the sequence of events through which organism passes from zygote to the zygote of next generation is called its life cycle. At least 5 main types of life cycles can be distinguished among different classes, different groups of algae which can reproduce sexually. So we will discuss all of those life cycles one by one. At first, haplontic life cycle. It is the most important one where the organism is free living organism which is haploid in nature. The only diploid stage is the single zygote which immediately undergoes meiosis to form haploid spore. So most of the stages in life cycle is haploid. The only diploid stage is the zygote. Example, Volvox, Pyrogyra, Chlamydomonas. These genus show haplontic life cycle. Next one is diplontic life cycle. The dominant photosynthetic phase is diploid sporophyte. Haploid stage is very reduced, strictly restricted to gametes which are produced by meiosis. Example, fucus and sargassum. Next, this is the diagrammatic presentation of haplontic cycle and this is the diplontic cycle. In haplontic cycle, only zygote is the diploid phase. And in diplontic life cycle, most of the life cycle stages of life cycles are diploid in nature. Only gametes are haploid in nature. Next, haplodiplontic life cycle or diplohaplontic life cycle. Both haploid and diploid phases are multicellular free living. They alternate as the part of their life cycle. None of the stages is dominant over the another. So it can be of two types. One is isomorphic, another one is heteromorphic. Isomorphic, where gametophytic and sporophytic phases are morphologically identical. For example, as found in life cycle found in Olva and Cladophora. Heteromorphic means where gametophytic and sporophytic phases are morphologically different. For example, laminaria. Next, this is the diagrammatic representation of isomorphic and heteromorphic life cycle. Next, triphasic life cycle. It is found mostly in red algae or rhodophyceae. This cycle involves 3 phases rather than 2. Okay. So it can be of two types. One is haplobiontic type, another one is diplobiontic type. So remember haplobiontic type and diplobiontic type. Okay. What is haplobiontic? One diploid phase and 2 haploid phases are there as present in Batrachospermum. Then diplobiontic, 2 diploid phases are there. One is carposporophyte, another one is tetrasporophyte, and 1 haploid phase is there. This diplobiontic life cycle is found in Polysiphonia. Okay. So triphasic means 3 phases are there. 3 phases means it can be 2 diploid, 1 haploid, or 2 haploid, 1 diploid. So in this way, so there are 2 types of triphasic life cycle. One is haplobiontic, another one is diplobiontic. In case of haplobiontic, 1 diploid phase is there and 2 haploid phases are there. For example, Batrachospermum. Another one is diplobiontic, where 2 diploid phases are present called as carposporophyte. Another one is tetrasporophyte, and 1 haploid phase is present. This diplobiontic life cycle is present in Polysiphonia. So this is the diagrammatic representation of diplobiontic and haplobiontic life cycle. So with this, I am concluding my lecture video here on the topic different types of life cycles found in algae.